Hello, this is Narain 3-phase digital control starter model DOLDS with phase shifter. The main advantage of this particular starter is it has the phase shifting technology, wherein even if the incoming lines get interchanged, the motor will continue to run in one single direction. So of late there has been a lot of issues wherein the incoming sequence would be reversed whenever the repair works are going on. So after that, when you switch on the motor will instead of running in one direction, the motor will start to run in the other direction, because of which the motor will not be able to lift the water up. So in that condition, you will have to physically interchange the incoming line so that the motor runs in one particular direction. But this is a starter wherein we've given that auto changeover technology, wherein irrespective of the incoming lines, the motor any time will continue to run in one single direction. All you need to worry about is just switching on the motor. So you need not worry about the cables getting interchanged. So this is an important concept when it comes to the motor starters of late. So along with that particular feature, this is a digital starter which will offer some motor safety features as well. So it offers the overload protection, so meaning whenever the motor draws more current, it will turn off the motor digitally, and it will give out the reason for turning off on the LCD. It also has the dry run protection, which will trip the motor when the motor runs dry without water. It also offers single phase protection, meaning one of the incoming lines, if it gets failed, it doesn't allow the motor to switch on. Also, if one of the motor cables get cut, it will turn off the motor again. Along with that, it also offers 3-phase digital ammeter, which will read out the current in all 3 independent lines. Also, it has the digital voltmeter and the error display, which will read out why the motor has tripped and what was the last trip current when the motor had turned off. So with all these data, it's easier to figure out like what exactly has gone wrong, and you can diagnose the problem and get it repaired. So this is an all-in-all starter which can be used from 1 HP to 7.5 HP. Also a 10 HP variant is available in this. So we will quickly go ahead and have a look at the internal wiring and the components which are there inside. So outside you will see the 3-phase supply indicators, so and the on off buttons there outside. So when you open the casing, so this is where you will see the contactors. There are these 2 contactors. The contactors used are the BCH variety. So the reason for having these 2 contactors is such that whenever the incoming sequence is in one direction, one of the contactor will switch on, and when the sequence is in the other direction, the other contactor switches on, so that the motor will anytime continue to run in one particular direction. So the main product or the unit which does that shifting is Narain PFR, which is a voltage sensing single phase preventer model PFR. So this will take care of allowing the motor to run in one particular direction. So the product which is next to this is called as auto start unit. Auto start unit is an optional thingy. So whenever this product is used for agricultural purpose, so auto start unit is made use of. So this will allow the motor to switch on as soon as the 3-phase supply is back. So this is an optional product, but this will always be there in this thingy, because this is the one which takes care of switching the contactors. So this will indicate the right sequence. When the sequence is right, the light continuously goes, and when the sequence is in the other direction, the light blinks. So this indicates which contactor to switch on. And also you might have noticed there will be a separate set of connectors. So this connector is used mainly to replace this particular product. Just in case if this product has to be replaced for some reason, all you can do is you can just take out this unit, and you can also place a new unit by connecting those 5 wires which are coming out of this unit to this particular connector. So it's pretty simple. So once that is done, we've also provided the replacement feature for the Narain motor protection relay. See, all the protection features which I explained earlier is due to this particular product. So just in case of a failure or some other reason, if you want to replace this particular product, you can also do that. The wiring is pretty simple. So yeah, we will quickly go ahead and have a look at the operation now. So the sequence now, the incoming line is in one direction. You can have a look at these supply voltage. So when I take out the red phase, you can see the first indicator going off. When I take out the second phase, you can see the second indicator going off. Similarly, when I take out the third one, you will see the last indicator going off. This means the incoming line is in one direction. So when I try to switch on the motor in this condition, you can have a look at the contactors also. I'll be pressing the on button. So as soon as I press the on button, you can see the left contactor latching. So the motor is running through this contactor, and this contactor is idle. The motor is running through this contactor, meaning the motor is running in one particular direction. Okay. So you can always see the parameters on the LCD. So this will indicate the current in the three lines on the second line. L and H are the the low current and high current indication. So I am using a 3 HP motor, because of which the motor is drawing around 5 amps in all the three lines. So you can see the current reading based on the motor capacity. So based on this, you will have to set the low current and high current values. So if the motor is drawing around 5 ampere, you will set H to around 5 plus 2, that is 7, and L to 5 minus 1, which is 4. Similarly, if the motor is drawing around 10 amps or 11 amps, which is in case of 6 HP motor, you will set H2 plus 2, which will be around 11 plus 2, which is 13, and L2 minus 2 again, 11 minus 2 will be 9. So the idea of these two settings is such that whenever the motor current drops below the set low current value, the motor turns off and gives out the reason for tripping as dry run. Whenever the motor turns off due to overload, that happens when the motor draws more current, the current greater than the set H value, the motor turns off in 12 seconds, giving out the reason as overloading. And all the reason for tripping can be seen on this LCD. So the tripping characteristics have been explained in the regular DOLDS video. This video is more focused on the demonstration of the shifting of the two phases. So this is about it. Yeah. We will now interchange the incoming lines and see. So I'm just again this is the contactor which is allowing the motor to run in this particular sequence. We will now stop the motor. We will reverse the incoming lines now. So we are changing the lines. So usually line interchanging happens when there is a service work going on. So when the service work at the transformer end is going on, there are chances of connecting the lines in the other direction from the technician or the electrician there, because of which motor the sequence gets interchanged. Now we've just interchanged the sequence. So to let you know about that, you can again see these lights. I'll be turning off the red color red power supply. You can see this light going off. So this means the sequence has been changed. If I take out the Y light, you will again see the center, because center is not interchanged. When I take out the last line, you can see the first light going off, meaning the last and the first wires have been interchanged here. So right now in this particular pattern, we will try switching on the motor and see what happens. So when I press the green button now, when I try to switch on the motor, you can see the other contactor latching. Earlier this was the contactor which turned on. Now you can see the second contactor. So the motor is turning on through this particular contactor, and this contactor is idle now. So we have changed the incoming power lines in this contactor, meaning the motor will still continue to run in the same direction even though the incoming lines were changed. So this is a major advantage right now. So whoever is facing any of these kind of issues can always opt for this particular product. And if you can always reach us on 9972243774 if you have any queries. I repeat, it's 9972243774. You can also reach us for the enquiries, and also you can browse our website for more information. So our website address is www.narainelectrics.in. Thank you for watching this video.